I'm gonna ask you something. You never feel afraid? Like a kidnapping in real life?
Yeah, at first. But when we did it, you smell one body splash. And it smell like whisper one. As someone know it not real.
Very impressive, Tonian. Mackenzie say your other senses are heightened.
So, why you never tell me that part then?
Because I know everything you for talk.
Alright, my girl, you win.
What you say? Me not hear you.
You win.
Say it look more louder.
You win.
Me win. Me win.
Alright, Tonian. You want to come sit down, I need to talk to you now.
Okay.
Tonian, let me start with you. I need you to understand the seriousness of the business what we are doing. Yeah? What we are doing is a covert operation. Nobody can know say you're asleep. If them know, it's gonna mash up the entire organization. And it can cost you your life and the life of others. Mr. Mullins assigned us as sleepers. His superiors don't know about us. That's why you only report to me, Whispers, and Mr. Mullins. Nobody else. That's why I tell you, keep your mouth shut. Your training, you only get that by a sleeper.
Bossy, make you know as well, say, there are sleepers out there she not gonna know about.
Exactly. Whispers, yo, that trip here prepare me for the human trafficking thing. I'm gonna need your assistance.
Bossy, I have to you, man. You know, so you don't have to say fat. 39 good.
And 38 good for me.
When I talked to Mr. Mullins the other day, him said to me, say, it look like is a woman a control this thing. Me do my own research and it was a man. It seemed like a man. However, the trip here confirm says a woman. And she run some organization where appear young females. But on my way down, I do some research myself. And I realize the organization them where she run, there are some young females where in it where they missing. So here where I go want you to whisper. I go want you find out all of the organization them where that woman you linked to and get back to me.
Just give me a name for work with, Bossy.
Su Chung Yo Alexander.
You hear the name there already in a Bossy. I want in the island. But I jump on it.
So, what me I gonna do now?
You are gonna keep yourself quiet until I'm ready for you. However, this is what I want you to understand. You're a shopkeeper. Keep it as such. I know say your little relationship with your friend Kareem. Him can't know nothing about your second life. There are days when I go take you off of the work and put you up on assignments. Him can't know where you go. Him can't know where you do. And him cannot come with you. For you, it's business as usual. That other part of your life must remain hidden.
So Bubbles, you forgot lie to him?
Tonya, It's not lie if him don't know. But you don't know, won't hurt you.
Reality I hit you now, not true. Ready for change your mind?
Bubbles, watch one show up on human trafficking. I don't like what them do to the young females them out there. Who don't want it reach me or any other young females out there. So, just give me one assignment. Let me help.